sovereign ruler. So that name already makes God a being that needs nobody or nothing to be what he is. If God decides that he's looking for people to have fellowship with, you need to know that it is something that means so much to him that he had to condescend himself to have such desires. Because if God doesn't condescend himself, he wouldn't need you and I. So it is his love that compels him to wanting to have fellowship with you. Hope you know that even before creation ever was, the love equation was satisfied in God. God can love himself perfectly. He's a community. The Father, the Spirit, and the Son, they can live in that fellowship of everlasting love forever and ever. But God wants to have fellowship with beings outside of him. That's why he created you.